And our bonus car for the day is this 2025 VW Tiguan R Line, which is going for 754,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're looking to pay 13,911 per month. It has 19,159 kilometers on the clock. You are getting a 1.4 liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder petrol engine producing 110 kilowatts of power and 250 newton meters of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers in 9.2 seconds with a 7-speed dual clutch transmission, and also pulling with front-wheel drive. You are getting a fuel consumption of 7.9 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 55 liters. According to the Decra report, this car is roadworthy. So this car is still in a good condition. As you can see, it is still new. It's the 2025 car. Everything it is okay. All the tires are still okay. No scratches on the rims. You have your sunroof there. So when it comes to the interior, you have your 10.25-inch touchscreen display with wireless charging and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control and cruise control. Yeah, man, that's it about our last car for the day. Yeah, man, the car is still okay. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.